Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to show you something really quickly. I created this project template for you to download and install from the Visual Studio Marketplace to create WinForms applications very easily. All you have to do is download this extension and it will download the VSIX package for installing the extension, and you can launch that, and then you can select the version of Visual Studio you want it to install. This should work on Visual Studio 2017, 19 and 2022. So if it doesn't work, please leave a comment and I will look into that in the future so you can download the correct version, and then you can click install and it should install the project template on your selected Visual Studio edition. And then after that you can close this window and launch Visual Studio, and then you should see your project template under your create new project dialog. So let's go ahead and create a new project, and then you should see CPP WinForms app as a new project template right on the top, or if you don't see that, you can search for CPP WinForms and it should pop up right there, and then you can click next and then give your project a name and then create. Now the project is created, and then all you have to do is go to the Solution Explorer, and under header files you will find myform.h and just double click on it and open that right there. And you don't have to paste any of that code in the myform.cpp file or go to project and edit those linker settings. All of that is done for you using this project template. All you have to do is click the local Windows debugger button and run your application. Now the application should work just fine. Now if you get some error like this, all you have to do is go to your Solution Explorer and right click on the project and then go to Properties, and from here you need to change the platform toolset to the one you have. So this is by default version 143. If you have Visual Studio 2019, it will show you Visual Studio 2019 version 142, something like that, and then you have to select that one. So you will get this error, and all you have to do is change the platform toolset according to the version you have, and your application should work. Also, there's another way to install this extension. You can go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and from the search box search for CPP WinForms project, and this should give my project template. As you can see, I have it installed, but for you will see an install button right there. Also, if you go to this link where we downloaded the VSIX installer for our extension, you can read all this textual article for installing and creating your project, and if there's any problems you can leave a comment right there as well. Also, there's everything I said in this video in this article too, so if you're getting any error you can solve it from here also. Also, make sure to leave a review so others can find it easily as well. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.